Hi, I'm Jess Hinshaw.
And I'm Andrea Fisk. We're the principals of Shapeless Studio, an architecture and interiors firm based in Brooklyn. Today we're going to be sharing one of our favorite projects, a loft renovation in the cast iron district in Soho.
The building was originally built in 1886, and over the years it's been converted into residential lofts.
This apartment really needed a refresh, and it didn't reflect the building's incredible character.
Our job was to bring it back to life, and we can't wait to show you the result. Follow us.
The living room is the heart of the apartment. It's double height, open, and it's full of light from these massive windows.
We painted the walls a warm gray neutral color to create a calm and welcoming environment.
And we kept the brick perimeter walls exposed to celebrate the industrial character of the neighborhood.
Another original element we left exposed are the wood structural components, such as the beam on the ceiling and the wood lintels.
Another original aspect of the apartment was the floors. We painted them white with a marine grade oil paint to reflect more light into the apartment.
We always like trying new things, and this paint was an example of that. The furnishings of the home were chosen to match the palette and materials of the architecture.
There are a lot of soft textures like linen and wool. The pieces are elegant but relaxed.
We selected the lighting throughout, including this oversized Noguchi.
This area needed some storage, so we designed a long white oak cabinet that serves as the media console, the library, and the bar.
Because this is an open floor plan, one of the challenges is delineating spaces.
For the dining room, we did this through the use of two mid-century Polson pendant lamps, and we paired it with this large, expanding walnut dining table, which is perfect for a party.
For this project, one of the biggest layout changes involved the lofted areas. Originally, there were two disconnected lofts, each with separate staircases.
When construction started, we discovered we had to actually demolish both of the lofts, and we rebuilt one above the kitchen.
And to access the loft, we designed a sculptural staircase. We wanted to minimize the footprint, but we also wanted it to be beautiful. And we also added these steps to the outdoor space, because what's better than a terrace in Soho?
The sleek kitchen is built underneath the loft. It has a marble countertop and marble backsplash, and we painted the cabinetry the same color as the rest of the room so it blends in with the architecture.
This helps the open area from feeling too much like a kitchen. The whole space flows together, which is especially important in a loft.
The island, which sits between the two original cast iron columns, is made of white oak cabinetry which matches the windows above and the rest of the millwork in the room.
For the primary bedroom, we went darker. We painted the walls a deep taupe. It's moody and restful, perfect place for sleeping.
We selected this bed with a linen headboard to add a lot of softness into the room.
In here, we added lights at different heights.
And another way we maximized light in this room is through this large glass door that transitions into the main space. But we also have full height drapery that we can close for privacy at night.
We added a wall of white oak closets with references back to the windows and millwork throughout the apartment.
Everything in this room was selected to support the feeling of calm and balance. It's always rewarding to work on a project that brings old and new together in a way that feels effortless and is still functional.
Thanks for taking a look, and we'll see you on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.